Hello everybody, this is Leptir1 and we are in the laboratory now, or something like it. Is this the laboratory? I do not know. But we have some fucking saw here, a bone saw. This is wonderful. I've always wanted to have my own bone saw and stuff. Not really. What's up top here? Wait, I can put a box here. No, don't him! Oh yeah. Oh, get out of it. Get out of it. Okay, there we go. Let's go. Oh, it won't budge now. Now you won't budge. Alright, wait. Let me see what this is. I don't think this is... Is this the lab? I don't think it is.
What are you doing? Time is running short.
Shut up, buddy. Where is the laboratory? The laboratory upstairs. Yeah, the lab's upstairs. Shut up. I know. Is this the laboratory? Yeah, this is the laboratory. Alright. Alright, so I have to put the blood probably on top of this. Superheat that blood. So we take the incomplete tonic, we put that there. Can I put the bone in it? Can I use the... Oh, I have to... Oh, okay. Like that. Then we close that. Then we super melt that. And it comes out right in there. And then we grab a nice little tinderbox just before I forget. And then we take the tonic. And we put it... Wait. Maybe I have to... Where's the last part? Is this it? What does this do? Alright, I probably have to combine this thing, put it right here. There we go. And then I have to put this on the top or something. Yeah, there we go. Now let's see what happens. Alright, come on, spin, buddy. Oh, Jesus. There we go. Wire's tonic is complete. Anything else in here that I should have? Nope. Alright, Agrippa. I'm coming for you. Oh, but Shadow does not want me to come for you now, do you, Shadow? Shadow.
Thank goodness. Now, pay attention. First, feed me the tonic, and then use the saw to remove my head.
What the hell?
As the tonic begins to work, you'll be able to cut off my head without taking my life. Then, take my head and bring it with you. As you enter the gate, Alexander is opening the inner sanctum. What do you mean? Why wouldn't you enter the gate? We can't argue now. You need to act.
Alright, buddy, here goes nothing.
Quickly, off with the head. And then.
Oh, shit. Oh, that's vile. Oh, Jesus. Hello, Agrippa. Where the hell do I have to go now? I have to go to the inner sanctum. This is where the choir is, though. Weird-ass mushrooms and fungi and... Oh, yeah. So now where do I go to the inner chancel? Is it through here? Maybe some more stuff crumbled. How am I supposed to get through there? Is there anything I'm supposed to use on it, or... Grip your head! I can't use the item this way. Alright, well that's, I'm out of oil. Let's see what I can do here. What the heck was that even? Like, I honestly still don't understand what this thing was. Right here. That thing? No idea. Alright, why is his body just like chilling there? Where's the like, where am I supposed to go? The inner chancel, but where is that? Laboratory is right here. Do I still need this root or whatever? Yeah, I want to turn you off. Just because, you know, it's bad to leave stuff lit, you know. Never know what can happen. I'll just put his head in there. That would be bad. Okay, let's see what... Ow, shit. Do I have to go somewhere over here? Let's see what we can get up here. Alrighty, we are back up top in this area. We have that which is closed off to us. And we also have this area. That area is apparently closed. Well, I don't want to go back to the cells. Alrighty, well, I'll see you guys next time. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and I love you all. Bye, guys.